So I think the presentation this morning was spot on. I mean, it shows that digitalization and technology in our current age, right, not even in the future, is really transforming the way we operate. Not only in the company, but also in the complete value chain. Not only in this industry, by the way, but in every industry. The possibilities that we saw today in the demos that we've seen during the guided tour, it really shows that I think the role that we need to play towards our consumers is increasingly important. Right? It's not even an option not to do this.
Receiving all this information, I can really translate this into new innovative strategies for the company and really towards the future, not to be product focused, but really to be market focused and to be business focused, not on the business of today, but also really think of the business of tomorrow.